Welcome to week 2. This week will center on the topic of race. In this particular week, we will read 2 articles which you can find at the library. Search here. You will need to read this lecture, watch these 3 videos, and complete an assignment and a quiz. The assignment requires you to go through 3 time periods: the beginning of the Civil Rights Movement, and read this announcement. 25 years later, dealing with President Clinton's One America initiative, reading this item. And lastly, reading about a recent music and celebrity concert called Shining a Light, and it will give you information here. Then you will need to write a 2-page paper with 5 paragraphs in APA format that summarizes your thoughts and your culminating thoughts on this particular area. And please refer to the rubric and the guidelines for expectations. So that is up here. You can always find a rubric for these course materials here. Please follow it closely, as that's how I will be grading, as well as the AAs. Lastly, there is a quiz for lesson 2, and that completes week 2. If you have any additional questions, please contact me or contact your AA.